So here are the things I'm going to be using: coconut oil, milk powder, icing sugar, a bowl to mix my icing sugar, a spoon, a bowl for my mixture, a bowl where I will sieve my mixture, this very big cooking pan because I'm gonna be putting this one inside here, and of course my jug to heat the water. First, I'm gonna put some coconut oil in my bowl. The quantity really depends on how much chocolate you want. So for me, I don't want so much chocolate, so 4 tablespoons of coconut oil is just enough. Put some icing sugar depending on how sweet you like your chocolate. I will put quite a bit of milk powder because this is the key ingredient when it comes to white chocolate. Now I will start sifting my mixture. This is a step that I never skip even when it comes to baking because it helps my mixture become lighter, or should I say finer? Yeah, I guess. And it also helps my mixture combine evenly before they are mixed with other ingredients. Can you see the importance of sifting? These are very huge particles. They did not go through, and I do not want them in my chocolate, so I am not going to use that. And this is how your mixture should look like at this point. I'm pouring some hot plain water in my very big cooking pan so that I can be able to melt my coconut oil. The oil has melted completely, as you can see. So now I'm just going to add my mixture bit by bit as I stir it until it's all inside the coconut oil. When your water gets cold, feel free to add some more. These are the molds that I will be using. I have 2 big ones and 2 small ones, and they are all of different shapes. I don't know how much chocolate we can get in there, but I think 1.5. So maybe we will use the 1 big one and 1 small one. Yeah. Help me find the right words to say. So this is our mixture right now, very yummy looking. At this point, you can taste your mixture just a bit, taste a bit of it to see if it is what you really wanted. If not, maybe you can add some sweetener if you think you want some, maybe some coconut oil, whatever you want you can add at this point. So before you put it into your molds, make sure that it is what you want. I have brought a tray to put my mold before I start filling it with my chocolate. If I don't put the tray there, then I am not going to lift that mold to be able to take it to the fridge because that is silicone and it is very wobbly. So just take a tray, a chopping board, or whatever flat thing you can find in your kitchen and use that so that you can be able to carry it to the fridge. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again. So that is done. I am just going to carry it to the refrigerator, and then I have a little bit more mixture left, and for this one I'm going to be using a chopboard to place the little mold. I don't think the mixture will fit in there. Maybe we will get about 4 or 5 in that, but I decided to put some nuts in this chocolate. You can put whatever you want. You can put some raisin, you can put nuts, whatever you like in your chocolate. So I'll show you how to put it. You just put like half a spoon, and then you place the nut, and then you top it up with the chocolate mixture, and that's it. We're bringing this back to life. So watch that. Put just a little bit halfway, and then take one nut, place it in there, and then top it up. We're picking up where we left off and on again. The mixture is finished. I only filled like only 5, but that's okay. So I left it in the fridge overnight. You don't have to leave it that long. Now it's ready, and I want to show you how it looks like. Are you ready?